patch up this textured ceiling. This is the upstairs now. Well, I'll get back to you when it's all done.
Greetings, loved ones.
Okay, we even had glass up there.
Have you reached out to us yet? 302-723-9591. Reach us at the office as well. 302-407-6773. Operators are standing by. Your story matters to us. Our business is your business. We are for the community, so don't be shy. We know that the economy is tough, so that's why we implemented this page, this video, this establishment, so that way it works for you, not against you. There's no hidden charges, no hidden fees. Look us up. Set for Life, LLC. General Contractor, Wilmington, Delaware. We look forward to hearing from you real soon, so that way we can make your story a success. Be blessed.